Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll take you through the process of adding MS record in your cPanel using DNS Zone Editor. My name is Ivy. Let's get started. What is MS record? MS record, also known as mail exchange record, specifies the mail server responsible for accepting emails on behalf of the domain name. You can add MS record to your domain using the Zone Editor. First, log into your cPanel. At the domain section, click on Zone Editor. The Zone Editor section opens. In this tutorial, I'll be creating an MS record for my domain shostdemo.tk. So I will click on MS record beside the domain shostdemo.tk. A small window opens. Enter the required details for the priority and the destination. I will enter 0 for the priority and mail.shostdemo.tk for the destination. After that, click Add an MS record. Your MS record is successfully created. Finally, to verify the record, click on Manage beside the DNSSEC of the domain you added the record to. The Zone Editor page opens, showing the various zone records of your domain and all the DNS records you've created for the domain. Scroll down and see the record I added, that is priority and destination. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can call our support line or send us a message on our website. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.